Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhang Xu. Let's look at problem 8 in chapter 21. Chapter 21 is about electric charge and electric fields. So now we have the person's feet, right? We can consider this is as an object. And now the net charge on this object is given Q as negative 46 microcoulombs. We convert the unit to coulombs, we write it there. Ask you how many electrons does this object get and how much does the mass increase, right? Now you can see for the charges, for the electrons just distributed on this object. Now we can consider the elementary charge for each electron. Is that fine? Yes. We get the elementary charge for electrons is there. It's a constant. You can get it on your textbook. Now you can see the total charge Q is given and the charges for each electron is given at there. So very obviously you can get the number of electrons, right? Use the total charge divided by the elementary charge for each electrons. This way we get the number of the electrons. Now next one asks you how much does her mass increase. Now the mass increase, so this increased mass comes from the electrons. Do you agree? Because these electrons just distributed on the feet. So now how much we need to find the increased electrons mass, right? And we know the number of these electrons. So it looks like we just need to know the mass for each electron, then we are done. So you can check your textbook, you can get the mass for each electron at there. So using the number of electrons times the mass for each electrons, you get the mass for the electrons, the total electrons. This is the increased mass, right there. Thank you.